Alright guys, got another video for you here. This is a new tool that I picked up, and this is going to kind of span across different fields. I picked it up specifically for my shop, just because I find myself cleaning up areas, and you can either use compressed air or go find, your air tank with a compressed line, make sure it's pumped up, fire stuff off, and I'm not always in an opportune spot, right? It may be on the far side of the shop over there. I gotta bring it over here, unwind everything, and yeah, that works. It's worked in the past. Or you could grab yourself a compressed air gun, which I have like for your computer room. And I've used that too for small areas just to get it quickly cleaned. But this is something new that's been on the marketplace for a little bit while. This doesn't have a real name. This is a knockoff unit. There's other units out there. But what it is it says this here, it's 200 watts, 7.4 volts, and 30 amps. So that is the power behind this unit. And what it is it's a fan. It's a turbojet fan, but it's actually quite nice. You can see those blades inside there. It is actually well balanced, and you're going to hear it here in a second. You'll see how it works. But the purpose of it is to blow turbocharged air off of your workplace, right? Be it in the computer room, working on whatever. Maybe it's in your office. Maybe it's in the shop, like here. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like, how it works. And maybe if it's something that's worthwhile for you guys, because, well, you might be a little bit surprised. All right, let's dive in. All right, so here it is. Again, no name. I picked this unit actually up off of Temu. I'll tell you about price here in a minute. But it's actually pretty neat because you have the ability to take off this magnetic. Basically, it's a condenser allowing you to pressurize into a more turbocharged outlet. Or you can leave it open like this. So it's kind of like a one-to-one. Let's say 1-to-1 versus maybe say 1-to-2, right? You're compressing it down into a tighter volume of air. Well, the buttons here, it does have a W down here. I think they knocked it off from somebody else. It does use a USB-C to charge on there, and that's pretty much how it looks. So let's give it a test run. Let you guys hear how it sounds. Okay, so that's how she runs. She spools up kind of linear. So it's not an instant run in, but then it runs at a high speed. So let's see what it does here. These are a little bit heavier pieces. I haven't planned this out, guys. So let's see how it works at blowing this stuff out of the way. And I'll show you again on my hand what it does. Okay, so it does a great job blowing air. Now you can take it off too, right this way. You're going to cool yourself off. Maybe you hear it. Maybe you can see it on my hand. But it does an excellent job putting pressure out. Now maybe we'll give you a little test here, maybe with some baking soda. All right, there's just a little bit of baking soda down. I haven't even tried this out yet. We'll be the first one to experience this together. Gone. All that's left is some finite sticky stuff that's sticking to the silicone mat. So, I mean, guys, it's a great little tool. I find myself using it a lot, especially when I prepare for these videos for you guys. Just getting stuff off of this tray. It just does a good job getting all that. Of course, now it's charged and it's sticking to my box. But for what it is, the power it packs, I think is actually a really neat and interesting tool. Again, Temu has it. You get them on Amazon too. The consensus is these typically sell maybe on the higher end in the $20 range, also in the 30 some odd dollar range. I picked mine up for I think low to mid 30s several months back. I just wanted to try it out and see if I really liked it, and you know what? It stuck around. I find myself using it ever so regularly. So I would give this a thumbs up and definitely put it on your list for how cheap it is. It is a good portable, think of it as a compressed air option for removing dust or what have you. Even cleaning out your car. Right? If you want to get in your car, quickly get some compressed air, blowing something out of there. This does a good job. So, yeah. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Do you guys have other options that you use for compressed air for cleaning? I'd love to hear it. or maybe there's a different model that you guys run. I think are some more. Actually, there are some more expensive models. I don't know if they're the originals and these are knockoffs, if they're just as good, if they're not. But I have a feeling this is just about as good as those originals. I think even Project Farm did a test, and this is the unit that he found. I actually bought this before he did his test, and he found that this unit was one of the best ones, best bangs for your buck. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead. I'll put it down in the link below, the unit that I purchased on Temu. And yeah, feel free to share your comments. Let me know your thoughts. And please, if you haven't, please like and subscribe down below so that you don't miss out on future content, because we bring this to you weekly. And likes and subscriptions help this channel grow and help us to get the word out to everybody. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys very soon.